हाँ जी हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, अज लैक्चर नंबर 3 करांगे स्टैटिक्स का फोर्सिस एक्टिंग एट ए पॉइंट। फस्ट एक्सरसाइज करते पे आप 2A। फस्ट चैप्टर तो इंट्रोडक्शन ही है, सैकेंड चैप्टर आ फोर्सिस एक्टिंग एट ए पॉइंट। असी क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 तक कर चुके हैं लैक्चर नंबर सैकेंड दे विच, ते क्वेश्चन नंबर 7th करन जा रहे हैं। स्टेटमेंट पढ़ लो। रिजल्टेंट ऑफ टू फोर्सिस ईच इक्वल टू P in magnitude acting at angle alpha is of magnitude r, and resultant of P and 1/3 r acting at right angle is of magnitude 2/3 r. Find value of P। ये है जी स्टेटमेंट। सब तो पहली लाइन च गिवन आ रिजल्टेंट ऑफ टू फोर्सिस ईच इक्वल टू P in magnitude acting at angle alpha इज़ ऑफ मैगनीट्यूड आर। ये गिवन आ, ये साडा फस्ट स्टैप आ। वो कि उन्होंने ये कहा आर इज़ रिजल्टेंट ऑफ फोर्सेस ईच इक्वल टू P इज equal to P acting at angle alpha, acting at angle alpha। ये given है। So when forces are equal then result is R 2P cos alpha over 2। इक्वेशन नंबर फस्ट चूज करांगे बाद तो असीं इहनूं कर देना पैक, बॉक्स विच कर दिता पैक। एक हाँ जी नैक्सट लाइन गिवन है स्टेटमेंट्स। नेक्स्ट लाइन इज रिजल्टेंट ऑफ P एंड R/3 एक्टिंग एट राइट एंगल इज ऑफ मैगनीट्यूड 2/3 R। हुण की गिवन है, वट इज़ गिवन इज 2/3 R is resultant of two forces which forces are P and R/3 P and 1/3 are acting at right angle angle between forces is right angle 90 degree। angle between forces is 90 degree। so use result R square P square Q square 2PQ cos of alpha। use this result। so we have resultant 2/3 R square, P is given to be P and Q is given to be R/3 square। 2P and Q is R/3 cos of 90 and cos 90 is 0। then 4/9 R square is equal to P square, R square over 9 it is 0, cos 90 is 0। so multiply by 9, so 4R square is equal to 9P square plus R square। so 3R square is equal to 9P square, but R is given to be 2P cos alpha by 2, equation number first। so by equation number first put the value of R which is 2P cos of alpha over 2 square 9P square by equation number first, and simplify 3 into 4 12। so 12 P square cos square alpha over 2 9p square, p square is cancel out, and cos square alpha over 2, 9 over 12. After cancelling 3 over 4, so cos alpha over 2 under root 3 over 2, so alpha over 2 is 30 degree, so alpha is 60. So angle between forces when resultant are forces are equal, then angle between each force is alpha. यही क्वेश्चन पूछा सी इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर, फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ अल्फा व्हेन फोर्सेस आर इक्वल, then resultant is given to be r, then find this alpha which is 60 degree. जो फर्स्ट पार्ट सपोज किया अल्फा वो आंसर आया अपने को 60 डिग्री. सो हुण करांगे नैक्सट क्वेश्चन, 8th क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 8th which is very simple. 8th question is resultant of two forces P, Q acting at a certain angle is x. Angle is not given. Is x such that and that of P are acting at same angle is x. Resultant of Q and R acting at same angle is y. Prove that P is equal to under root x square plus QR is equal to QR Q plus R Q square plus R square minus y square. Prove that also if P plus Q plus R is equal to 0 then x is equal to y. ये असी प्रूफ करांगे. बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फर्स्ट लाइन पढ़ो. रिजल्टेंट ऑफ टू फोर्सेस P are acting at certain angle is x. Angle is not given, so we have to suppose angle alpha. Let x be resultant of forces. Forces is given P and Q. Forces P and Q acting at angle. हाँ जी, 8th क्वेश्चन नोट 7th 8th क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट लाइन च क्या, रिजल्टेंट ऑफ टू फोर्सेस P Q acting at certain angle is x. x रिजल्टेंट, P Q फोर्सेस, एंगल सपोज कर लिया अल्फा. सो रिजल्टेंट स्केयर इज इक्वल टू P स्केयर Q स्केयर 2PQ cos of alpha. Equation number first. Now further, and that of P are acting at same angle. Now forces are P and R and angle is same, that of first case alpha, and is x, and resultant is again x. Again x is resultant of P and R. P and R acting at same angle alpha as above. So x square P square R square 2PR cos of alpha. Equation number second. इस केस विच फोर्सेस PR and resultant x and angle is same as in case first. Then third case पढ़ो. Resultant of Q and R acting at same angle is y. Now forces are Q and R, resultant is y and angle is same alpha. Third case, again y is resultant of Q and R. Q forces Q and R acting at same angle alpha. So y square is equal to Q square plus R square plus 2QR cos of alpha, equation number 3rd. Now use these three equations. We have to prove P is equal to x square plus QR is equal to QR, Q plus R, Q square, R square minus y. ये यूज़ करांगे. So now from first and second equation, eliminate cos alpha. Eliminating cos alpha. 2p same. So multiply first equation by R and second equation by Q. First equation multiply first equation by R and second equation by Q. So first equation multiply first equation by R and second equation by Q. Second equation by Q and subtracting implies x square same, so x square common, so R minus Q is equal to p square same, so p square common, R minus Q. First equation multiply by R and second by Q. So plus Q square R plus minus R square Q, and this step cancel out. Further x square R minus Q, P square R minus Q plus QR common, minus QR common, so R minus Q divide by R minus Q, so it gives x square is equal to p square minus Q of R, and p square, further p square is equal to x square plus Q of R, and p is under root of x square plus Q R. Answer of first part x square plus Q R बिल्कुल सेम. Now second part we have to prove second part. First part prove हो चुका, second part proof करांगे. Now second part you have to write down. हाँ जी, now second part which is again very simple. Second part sorry, second part. Now second part, equation number first and second ਨੂੰ subtract करो. First equation again, equation number first minus second, x square minus x square is 0, p square minus p square is again 0, q square minus r square plus 2p cos alpha is common, 2p is common, q minus r cos alpha is also common. So what it implies, 0 is equal to q minus r, q plus r plus 2p q minus r cos of alpha, Q minus R. Now divide by Q minus R, which gives 0, Q plus R plus 2p cos of alpha. So cos of alpha is equal to minus Q plus R over 2p. So cos alpha is minus Q plus R over 2p. Now next step, and take this step as equation number star. Equation number star. Now put this value of cos alpha in equation number third. Equation number third. So substitute in equation number third. Substitute करो equation number third. Y square, थोड़ी स्पेस की रिक्वायरमेंट है मैनू, इस करके मैं थोड़ा रफ करना पेगा मैनू. चलो I have to try Q square plus R square plus 2QR and put value of cos alpha, which is minus Q plus R over 2p. So 2 cancel out, 2 cancel out, 2 cancel out, 2p. Now further simplify y, not y, it is y square. Okay, y square minus Q square plus R square is equal to minus QR over P into Q plus R. Cross multiply P because we have to find value of P. Y square minus Q square minus R square minus QR Q plus R. Adjust this minus QR Q plus R over Q square plus R square minus P square. So ये सेकेंड पार्ट का आंसर भी आ चुके हैं. मैच कर लो, मैच कर लीजिए क्यू आर क्यू प्लस आर क्यू स्केयर प्लस आर स्केयर माइनस पाई. सो हैंस P is equal to under root x square plus QR further is equal to QR Q plus R upon Q square R square minus not P square, it is Y square. So this is first part of 8th question. Now we have to prove further second part. Second part which is again very simple. In second part it is given if P plus Q plus R is 0 then X is equal to Y. We have to prove this part. So now given is P plus Q plus R is equal to 0, which implies Q plus R is equal to minus of P, and cos alpha in last part minus Q plus R minus Q plus R upon 2P from last part cos alpha minus Q plus R over 2P. So put value of Q plus R, which is minus P upon 2P, so which is 1 over 2. So cos alpha is 1 over 2. So cos alpha is 1 over 2, or you can say alpha is 60 degree. So alpha is 60 degree. But we have to show x is equal to y. We have to show x is equal to y. So subtracting first and third. Now first minus third implies first minus third x square minus y square is equal to x square minus y square. P square q square minus q square is 0. So p square minus r square, p square minus r square 2p q cos alpha. So 2q is also common, 2q is common. So p minus r cos alpha. 1 minus 3, equation number 1 minus equation number 2, which is p minus r, p plus r plus 2q p minus r cos alpha, which is 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 is cancel out. So further p minus r is common, p plus r plus q, and p plus q plus r is given to be 0. So which implies p minus r into 0, which is 0. So x square minus y square, x square minus y square is 0. Further x square is equal to y square. So x is equal to y. यही असी शो करना सी। हाँ जी, की करना क्या करना, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन माइनस थर्ड इक्वेशन सबट्रैक्टिंग, देन p minus r, फर्स्ट माइनस थर्ड, देन p minus r, p plus r, p minus r is common, and put value of cos alpha, which is 1 by 2. So p plus q plus r is 0, it is given. So 0 into something is 0. So x square minus y square, so x square is equal to y square. So x is equal to y. So now we have to prove next question. हाँ जी, next question is again very simple. Question number 9th. Question number 9th. Two equal forces act on a particle, find angle between them. Two equal forces, one is p, other is also p. Angle between them, we have to find angle between them, and we have to suppose it as alpha. And second condition is square of their resultant, resultant is r, square of their resultant is equal to 3 times product of forces. It is given 3 times their product, it is given. So we have to find only angle between these two forces. So let R be resultant of two equal forces P each acting at angle alpha. So when forces are equal, use the result R is equal to 2p cos alpha over 2. Equation number first. Now second condition is it is also given. It is also given square of resultant is equal to 3 times their product. Put value of R here. 2p cos alpha over 2 square is equal to 3p square. 4p square cos square alpha over 2 3p square. P square is cancel out. So cos square alpha over 2 is 3 over 4. So cos alpha over 2 is under root 3 over 2. Further, alpha over 2 is 30, which implies alpha is 60 degrees. So very simple. ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ next question. Next question, question number 10th. Statement is when two equal forces, again equal forces, two equal forces inclined at angle 2 alpha, their resultant is twice as great as when they inclined at angle 2 beta. Prove that cos alpha is equal to 2 cos beta. Two equal forces, say P each. Suppose करो one of the resultant is R1 making angle alpha, making angle 2 alpha, given is 2 alpha, and second one say forces are 2b and angle between forces 2 beta, say resultant is R2, resultant is R2, and given to be resultant is twice as great as they inclined at angle 2 beta. It is given R1 is equal to 2R2. R1 is 2R2. When angle is 2 alpha, then resultant is twice as that of when angle is 2 beta. So R1 is equal to R2. ये given है. So बहुत ही simple question. Let R1 be resultant of two equal forces P each acting at angle 2 alpha. 2 alpha is given. Forces are equal. P is also given. And resultant R1. Resultant R1 suppose kita. So R1 is 2p cos alpha over 2. And alpha in our case is 2 alpha. So 2 alpha over 2. So R1 is 2p cos alpha. Equation number first. Now second case. Let R2 be resultant of two equal forces P acting at angle is 2 beta. So R2 is 2p cos of 2 beta over 2. So R2 is 2p cos beta. Equation number second. It is given. ਕੀ ਗਿਵਨ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ? ਵਾਟ ਇਜ਼ ਗਿਵਨ? ਗਿਵਨ ਇਜ਼, ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਸਮਝਣੀ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼, ਗਿਵਨ ਇਜ਼ Resultant is twice as great as when they inclined at angle 2 beta कि ਜਦੋਂ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟੈਂਟ 2 beta ਨਾਲ ਐਂਗਲ ਬਣਾਉਂਦਾ ਇਹਦਾ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟੈਂਟ ਦੁੱਗਣਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲੋਂ, ਇਹਦਾ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟੈਂਟ ਦੁੱਗਣਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲੋਂ। ਇਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਗਿਵਨ ਆ ਤੇ ਕੁਛ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਕਰਨਾ ਉਹ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਗਿਵਨ R1 ਇਜ਼ ਇਕੁਅਲ ਟੂ twice of resultant R2. So put value of R1 which is 2p cos of alpha 2p ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਇੱਕ 2 ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਹੈ 2p cos beta 2p is cancel out which implies so cos alpha is equal to 2 cos beta। यही हमने शो करना था सो शो हो गया, सो शो कर दिया। अब करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 इससे इजी क्वेश्चन तो हो ही नहीं सकता। ग्रेटेस्ट एंड लीस्ट रिजल्टेंट ऑफ टू फोर्सेस इज गिवन मैग्नीट्यूड एक्टिंग एट 0.8 kg and 2 kg respectively. Find their resultant when they act at angle 60 degree with each other, with each other, with each other। greatest and least resultant given है, forces suppose करनी होगी। find resultant when they act at angle 60 degree, बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन। let P and Q be two forces angle is also not given acting P and Q be two forces। now maximum resultant and minimum resultant given, maximum and minimum resultant is given acting at angle alpha। now maximum resultant is given to be 8 and minimum resultant is given to be minimum resultant is 2 kg and 8 kg। देखो रिजल्टेंट लैक्चर नंबर फस्ट देखियो ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਇਹ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟੈਂਟ ਕਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਨਾ, ਮੈਕਸਿਮਮ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟੈਂਟ ਕਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਨਾ, ਮਿਨੀਮਮ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟੈਂਟ ਕਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਨਾ, ਮਿਨੀਮਮ ਤੇ ਮੈਕਸਿਮਮ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟੈਂਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਮੈਕਸਿਮਮ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟੈਂਟ P plus Q which is equal to 8 and minimum resultant is P minus Q which is equal to 2। so equation number first, equation number second, adding first plus second, adding 2p is equal to 8 plus 2 10, so p is 5 kg, so p is 5। subtracting equation number first minus second implies p minus p is 0, so q plus q is 2q, 8 minus 2 is 6, so value of q is 3 kg। now further find their resultant when they act at angle 60 degree with each other। resultant find करना, let R be resultant of P and Q acting at angle 60 degree। so use R square P square Q square 2PQ cos of 60. P square means 5 square and which is 25. Q square means 3 square which is 9. 2 into 5 into 3 cos 60 is 1 by 2 and 2 cancel out. सो सिंप्लीफाई कर लोगे वो आपका आ जाएगा आंसर. सो सिंप्लीफाई करोगे आपका आंसर आ जाएगा 49. सो R is 7 kg. So resultant is 7 kg when angle between forces is 60 degree. अब करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 सेम. Resultant of two forces P and Q acting at point is R. If Q is doubled, R is doubled. If Q is reversed, then R is again doubled. Show that ratio of P is to Q is to R is under root 2, under root 3, under root 2. बहुत simple. Resultant, first line. Resultant of two forces P and Q acting at a point is R. R resultant, P and Q forces and alpha angle suppose कर लो. Let R be resultant, बहुत important question, of P and Q acting at an angle alpha. So R square is equal to P square Q square 2PQ cos of alpha. Equation number first. Then second line, if Q is doubled, R is doubled. Now if Q changes to 2Q and then R changes to 2R, then R changes to 2R. Again, second step, second line, if Q is doubled, then R is doubled. So when Q changes to 2Q, R changes to 2R, double कर दो. So R is 2R square P square 2Q square 2P into 2Q cos of alpha. Simplify. 4R square is equal to P square plus 4Q square plus 4PQ cos of alpha. Equation number second. Again line number third. If Q is reversed, then R is again doubled. Now Q no reverse. If Q changes to minus Q, then R is changes to again doubled, that is 2R. So from this step 1 implies 2R square is equal to P square plus minus Q square plus 2P into minus Q cos alpha. So 4R square P square plus Q square minus 2PQ cos of alpha. Equation number third. ਹੁਣ ਇੱਕ ਸਟੈਪ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. 3 ਇਕੁਏਸ਼ਨਸ ਆ ਗਈਆਂ. ਇਹਨਾਂ 'ਚੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ cos alpha ਨੂੰ ਐਲੀਮੀਨੇਟ ਕਰਨਾ. cos alpha ਨੂੰ एलिमिनेट फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड एलिमिनेटिंग cos alpha. बट सबसे पहले क्या करो, इनको एक साथ लिख लो. तीनों इक्वेशनों को एक साथ लिखो. एक साथ लिख लिया. नाउ एलिमिनेटिंग cos alpha फ्रॉम फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड मल्टीप्लाई फर्स्ट इक्वेशन बाय 2 एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 2 और इक्वेशन नंबर 2 माइनस 2 टाइम्स इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड 2 टाइम्स इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट इम्प्लाइज सेकंड इक्वेशन माइनस 2 टाइम्स इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट 2 टाइम्स. सो 2R स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू P स्क्वायर माइनस 2P स्क्वायर माइनस P स्क्वायर 4 minus 2 plus 2 and it is 0. Now equation number first plus equation number third. Equation number first plus equation number third implies 5r square p square is 2p square and q square plus q square is 2q square and cancel out which is 0. Further p square implies फर्दर थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करके लिख लिए पी स्क्वेयर प्लस माइनस 2q स्क्वेयर प्लस 2r स्क्वेयर 0 एंड 2p स्क्वेयर प्लस 2q स्क्वेयर माइनस 5r स्क्वेयर. Now simplify p square upon minus q square and r square. So p square 10 minus 4 and then sorry 10 okay 10 minus 4 okay 10 minus 4 then minus q square minus 5 minus 4 then r square 2 minus plus 4. देखो तुसी 10th क्लास तो पी स्केयर क्यू स्केयर आर स्केयर इस टाइप की इक्वेशन को एलिमिनेट करना करते आ रहे हो. जे तो आंदा तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज़ तुसी मैनूं पुछ सकते किस तरीके किया. एक 2312 फॉर्मूला सी तुहाडे कोल, वो तुसी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. जे तुसी डायरैक्ट करना तो इनू तुसी ना डिटरमीनेंट वाला टच दिओ. डिटरमीनेंट वाला टच दोगे तो बड़े ईजीली ये हो जाएगा. डिटरमीनेंट किवें सॉल्व करीदा, देखो इनू छोड़ लो. जो पी स्केयर फाइंड करना है इनू छोड़ो. -2 × -5 10 एंड -4 देन क्यू स्केयर प्लस माइनस प्लस डिटरमीनेंट प्लस माइनस प्लस इनू छोड़ दो. -5 × -1 -5 एंड -4 देन आर स्केयर प्लस माइनस प्लस इनू छोड़ दो 2 + 4. So now simplify p square over 6 q square over माइनस में एडजस्ट करो नीचे 9 r square over 6. So common factor cancel out 3 q square 2 3 and r square is again 2. So p is under root 2, q is under root 3 and r is again under root 2. So under root 2, under root 3, under root 2. So p ratio q ratio r not r square is equal to under root 2 is to under root 3 is to under root 2. So इसी साढ़े अज दे ये क्वेश्चन 14 तक. हुण बाकी क्वेश्चन असी अपने अगले लैक्चर च करांगे. जे मेरे ये लैक्चर तुहानूं ठीक लगते हो तो वीडियो नूं लाइक करना ना भुल्लिओ ते चैनल नूं सबसक्राइब जरूर करिओ. थैंक यू.